Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Trust Wallet to connect to PancakeSwap. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To download Trust Wallet, start by opening the App Store on your mobile device. If you are using an iPhone, go to the Apple App Store. For Android devices, open the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type Trust Wallet and hit search. Look for the Trust Wallet app, which is published by Binance. Once you find it, tap on the Install button. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. After the installation is complete, open the Trust Wallet app. You will be greeted with an introduction screen. Tap Create a new wallet if you are a new user. If you already have a wallet, you can tap I already have a wallet to import it. Read and accept the terms of service to proceed. Next, you will be prompted to create a secure password. Choose a strong password and confirm it. Once that is done, you will be shown a recovery phrase. This phrase is crucial for recovering your wallet, so write it down and store it safely. After you have noted the recovery phrase, tap Continue. You will then need to confirm the recovery phrase by selecting the words in the correct. Once confirmed, your Trust Wallet is now set up. Now, to connect Trust Wallet to PancakeSwap, open your browser. Visit the PancakeSwap website by typing in pancakeswap.finance. On the PancakeSwap homepage, tap Connect in the upper right corner. A list of wallets will appear. Select Trust Wallet from this list. A prompt will appear asking you to open the Trust Wallet app. Tap Open to allow connection from the web browser. The Trust Wallet app will open and prompt you to confirm the connection. Review the details and tap Connect. You are now connected to PancakeSwap using Trust Wallet. You can now start trading or exploring different features on PancakeSwap. Make sure to manage your tokens and transaction settings carefully as you proceed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.